Are you wondering why your website is not bringing in new customers? You might be making one of these 3 common mistakes that kills small business sales. Let's fix them. Hi, I'm Jamal from Essential Web Apps. I help small businesses grow online with better websites and smart tools. If you are a small business owner, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Confusing website layout. When visitors land on your site, they should instantly know who you are, what you offer, and what action to take next. If your homepage is cluttered or unclear, it's like walking into a store with no signs. People will leave in seconds. Keep it clean with a clear headline, a simple menu, and one strong call to action. Let's say you are a fitness coach. A strong call to action could be something like, book your first session. Check your site on mobile too. Layout issues there are often overlooked. Mistake number 2. No trust signals. If your site doesn't feel trustworthy, people won't buy or book. Think about it. Would you buy from a website with no reviews, no photos, and generic text? Probably not. Trust signals don't have to be complex. Just a few reviews, testimonials, or even a clean design can help new visitors feel safe. For example, if you are a therapist or consultant, showing your credentials or client success stories build instant credibility. Even adding a Google review widget or trusted by logos can make a huge difference. Mistake number 3. No online booking option for service businesses. If you are a service provider like spa, salon, or therapist, not offering an online booking option is a big mistake. Imagine a client browsing your website at 10 p.m. If there's no booking button, that's a lost sale. A simple booking button can turn a visitors into a customers instantly. We actually built a tool called Book 247 that makes this easy for small businesses. Check the link below if you want to try it. So which of these mistakes have you seen on your site or on others? Let me know in the comment section. And if you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more real-world web tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.